Speak English properly, we must have to follow three things or three criteria বা three স্টেপস। অর্থাৎ আমরা ইংরেজি বলতে সঠিকভাবে বলতে তিনটি জিনিস অবশ্যই আমাদের করণীয়। সেটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ very much important vocabulary, actually word meaning or vocabulary. Then basic grammar, whatever we learned from our life, and the basic foundation grammar, elementary grammar, whatever we know, that is basic grammar, of course needed. Then conversation, actually everyday's conversation with in our family, in our life, so on. This may be pair discussion, group discussion. And hello, very good morning to all of you, and heartiest congratulations from my heart. And you can see the nice environment. Actually the environment is very calm and quiet and very peaceful. It soothes our heart, and nature is very peaceful. And you can see the nature is called the darling child, because God has gifted us with many things. Our nature actually very much beautiful and very colorful. Still now it is the best country in my, actually the countries